We're up.
Oh.
We're up. Quit snapping. Is that what the kids call it these days?
I don't have
snapping. You're not snapping.
No, I'm not snapping.
We're not snapping. We are live. Welcome to the Weekly Thruster.
Hi. Oh, gotta look over there.
I'm Mike. This is Keanu, and this is Matt's crotch.
Looks like he's just getting you.
He's doing good. He's doing good. You think he'll be back? No, he's done.
He's done. He's done.
Who do you think's gonna win this year? Noah. No. Not Noah?
You know what his initials are?
J-M.
No.
No. N-O?
No.
Oh.
That's a no.
That's a good one.
That's a no.
Good one.
That's a no.
So, all right, we got a thumbs up from that.
Yeah.
Yeah, boys got jokes.
Got jokes.
Okay, just a quick reminder. Monday is Memorial Day.
Yeah.
It's
there you go.
Our favorite holiday. So, no regular class schedule. We have one class,
Yep.
10 a.m. We're going to run heats.
Yep.
It's going to be super organized.
And everybody's going to be following the heat schedule.
Yes. So, come remember everybody that gave the ultimate sacrifice for our freedoms, our great country, our right and ability to do CrossFit every single day. It's fantastic. And then stay, bring your favorite dish, beverage. We're going to do potluck barbecue. I will be providing hamburgers and hot dogs. And are we going to have mushrooms? Because I never got my mushrooms from last week.
Moving on.
Moving on. So, and just so you guys all know, do not be intimidated by this workout. It is scalable, just like any other workout we do on any other day. We can scale Murph.
Yeah, I
Don't
know,
worry.
two people that I work with, they're fairly new to CrossFit. They're like 4 or 5 weeks in. We're doing half Murph. We're doing half. That's it.
It's going to be awesome. It's going to be awesome.
It's
So,
gonna be okay.
be there. Come enjoy Memorial Day. It's fantastic. I'm going to watch Lone Survivor on Sunday night, and then I'm going to be amped up and ready to go. And the reason I do this is, one, it's a great movie, and two, at that second mile, when we all know how much I love running, when I'm running in that second mile, I know my day is way better than their day was. Right? They had a bad day, and doing Murph is a lot better than their day they had.
Yeah, you
So,
gonna set up that video like you did last year?
I'm going to try.
You gonna try?
I'm going to try.
I know.
It's going to be good. Little tearjerker. So, today's topic of the day, where'd it go? There it is, the recipe for success. I'm going to put it over me because it's red and you're wearing your red shirt.
Oh, yeah.
The recipe for success, right? Everybody's here for a purpose. They don't come in here just to hang out with me and you. Well, they probably hang out with you, but they don't come in here to hang out with me. They're here for a reason that we all put down on our goal sheets, the thing we're striving for. That is success, and it's going to be different for every single member. Yeah. Every single person is going to have a different picture of what success looks like. But the path to success, no matter what success looks like, is fairly the same. These tips are going to be good for everybody. So I don't know who needs to hear this. It's kind of piggybacking on. Are you snapping? What are you doing?
No, I'm text.
Kind of piggybacking on the two muscles in our brain, right? Which I brought up in a couple classes. Caught some people on Saturday who worked their push through muscle. Minerva today, for Pete's sakes, did the whole run where she didn't want to do it. And she's like, it hurts, it's hard, but this and that. But my props to Minerva for that. If you guys want success, be like her, because she's getting it. Okay, first one up, consistency, right? Let's make it bigger. This is number one for a reason, consistency, right? If you're not showing up to the gym on a regular basis, if you're coming in once a week or every other week or even 2 times a week, but it's not a consistent basis, you're probably going to be a little frustrated with your results.
Yeah. I mean, I'm on year 6, 7.
Yeah.
And every single year, I keep getting better and better and better. It's not gonna happen overnight. And if you aren't consistent, well, it's never gonna happen in the first place. So, I mean, like, where you want to be, it could happen in 6 months. It could happen 7 years. I mean, like, it's a long road.
Yeah.
It's a long road. You just have to
Takes
be patient.
time. Takes time, but being consistent. And
Yeah.
and we have this little technology hack inside of our nutrition coaching software. It's called our compliance score, and it's really kind of cool because for all that you guys don't understand, that have been in this app, we try to hit our macros and we turn the macros from red to yellow to green, and green means we've done a good job that day.
Yeah.
And the app will actually measure our compliance score consistently. How often are we hitting those macros? And the people who tend to be frustrated have a lot of red in there. They're not getting the success that they want from the program because they're 40, 50% consistent on their nutrition. Same type of thing. If you are 40 and 50% consistent in your workouts or anything in life, you're not going to get the success. You may tend to be frustrated.
Don't half-ass something. Full-ass something.
Yeah, full-ass. I like that. All right. Number 2, and this is a big one. All you wallflowers out there, right? Be coachable. Okay? We have people in class that come in, they got their headphones in. I don't know why. Our music is great. They have their own headphones in. They're off in the corner. They never ask any questions, this and that. They're going to move at a different pace, success-wise, than the people that are always in your face, always asking questions. Be the guy or the girl in the class that says, Coach, look at me. Is this lift right? Am I doing this right? What's my reps? What's my weight? You like that.
Yeah, of course.
You're very approachable.
They're very, like, when I see that, it's more just like investment in themselves. Like, I mean, this is your time. Like, this is your hour. Make the most of it. Like, ask me.
You guys, our members, you are paying for coaching, right? Don't repel it, accept it, right? Ask for it, right? They're moving around the room, they're doing a good job, but like, go out looking for it. You're not bugging them. You're not bugging me, you're not bugging him, you're not bugging Chad, Jana, anybody. Go out, be coachable. When the coach gives you a cue, also pay attention to it, right? Hey, Jace, you want to be on the show?
Do you want to come in?
Come on in, Jace.
Come here.
We're live.
Say hi. No, we already put you on here. Get over here.
Jace, be coachable.
Be coachable.
Okay, here's one of our most coachable members here, Jace. Jace, you can't see you. There he is.
There he
is. Yeah.
That's Jace.
That's Jace. He's very coachable.
Yep.
All right, number 3, intensity. Okay? Maybe the right word would be more purpose, but intensity breeds success. If you're coming in here on a consistent basis and not really putting any effort into the workout, you lack intensity.
A simple one like under this would probably be being comfortable with being uncomfortable. That's a really simple one with the intensity.
These workouts are hard.
They're hard.
They're supposed to be. If they were easy, everyone would be tan and jacked like you.
I am tan.
Take it off.
No.
Okay, see?
No.
If this were easy, everybody would look like you. It would just happen. It's not easy, right? So bring some purpose, bring some intensity into the workouts, right? And that's why we're here. That's why we're here. Shoot, we've crossed 9 minutes. Boy, people are probably bored out of their mind. All right, last one, and this is what a lot of people miss: sleep and nutrition.
Speaking of nutrition, I got my Chipotle coming. I'm waiting. That's why I was looking down where my Chipotle is, and then looking back over here. Right. Guys, don't eat Chipotle.
really important.
Sorry.
Right? If you're consistent and you're coachable and you're bringing intensity to your workouts and you're still not getting the results that you're getting, that you want, that you're striving for, let's take a look at how are you sleeping. Are you sleeping 2 to 3 hours a night? Yeah, that's really going to hold you back. And if you're hitting the drive-thru and drinking Coca-Cola and whatever, gummy bears and Uncrustables and all that other stuff, right? How's your nutrition, right? This is fuel for you. You're not going to put 87 octane in a Lamborghini. You are a Lamborghini, and so are all of you.
All of your
Fuel it. Yeah. Okay. So
don't be a Honda Civic.
I feel like there was anyway. Yeah.
I'm pretty sure.
Actually, Stephanie's Honda Civic probably.
Oh
will
no!
crush
She
your
knows
Yaris.
what I'm talking about. She knows what I'm.
I also know what you're talking about.
Oh
Yeah. Yeah. Funny story from Saturday. Anyway.
Okay.
Yeah. Memes.
I remember making up those memes too.
Yeah. No, these were unasked for memes.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, on a consistent basis.